There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So today's video is going to be by a company that I've worked numerous times with, which is called Soul Lady. As y'all see, this is one of their salt and pepper units, but girl, this one has more pepper and less salt. Do you see how bouncy and flowy the hair is? 13 by 4, 18 inches in length. And I will tell you guys, it does have combs, an elastic band, adjustable strap in the nape. So let's check out this unit and how it comes.
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. Ooh, no picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked, don't make a sound. Don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space, there's no cheaters allowed. I gave you my word. Try it again, you're gonna lose your girlfriend. The nerve to think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Boy, watch me. Cold-blooded. Let it, let it, let it. Ooh, cool. Oh, 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 cool. Oh, 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 oh. You're trying to spin the block now. Oh, hell nah. Bring flowers.
So as you see, the hairline is not pre-plucked or pre-tweezed. Most of the units that I find that are in the salt and pepper color always comes as is. The hairline is not thinned out. But the good thing about this unit is the hair is very, very soft and flowy. Listen, y'all are gonna see how surprised I am. I was very surprised. I do like the outcome of the unit. The hair texture though is just amazing. So at first I was definitely going to do like some curtain bangs, and it ended up being wispy bangs. It wasn't, I didn't cut them long enough. So it did become wispy bangs, but it still looked different and cute for the style. But girl, the hair is so plentiful. I really feel like the density is like 200%. The hair is not dried out, feels so soft and silky to the touch. Now, as you guys see, these are 13 by 4s. And they're not custom sized. So I will need to custom the unit for my liking, just so that way it'll fit proper. So I did go ahead and part over my ears so that way I can cut away the excess lace and the wig will fit a lot proper. And you just want to do this on both sides. So to cut my lace, I'm going to be using my pink and shear scissors. This gives the effect of not straight across or blunt cut. I would definitely advise to cut while not wearing the unit because pick and shear scissors are a little bit bulky and you don't want to accidentally cut into your hairline. Now to apply my unit, I am using my Got To Be Freeze Blast hairspray. Girl, listen, I have plenty of hairsprays, not any more of the Aussie, and I'm really trying to use up what I do have before I go out and purchase another can of Aussie Instant Freeze. So that's the reason why I'm using the Got To Be. Got To Be is just as good in my opinion. It is a little bit more pricier than the Aussie, but Aussie is a little bit more drying fast. It dries a lot faster and can get a little bit more tackier than the Got To Be. And you can also use the Aussie in your hairstyling and it will definitely freeze your hairstyle. So that's why I prefer the Aussie Instant Freeze versus the Got To Be. Plus I've been using the Aussie for God knows like 12 years, so that's my go-to favorite hairspray. As you guys see, for the third layer, I just went ahead and applied the lace. That's gonna give the lace a little bit of melt. But as you see, the hairline, like I stated, was a little bit thicker on the sides. So I got my little workaround to that just to show how I want the unit to look once I am finished applying it. And you know, I always have to have my sideburn hairs. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I am just going to put a little bit of wispy hairs on the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and figure out where I want to cut the bang area. I should have made it a little bit longer because like I stated, I did want curtain bangs, but it's definitely okay because I can still do curtain bangs. With this unit, I would definitely have to blend in the bang. So we're going to make this a wispy bang type of unit with some Farrah Fawcett flip back curls, okay? So that is the reason why I'm going to be cutting in layers. Girl, this hair is amazing though. The feel, the quality of this hair, it's so soft. A lot of the units that I have tried, which is salt and pepper, they're a little bit more dried out. This hair is not dried out at all. I think it has a lot to do with the processing of getting the salt and pepper color. But this hair, you can tell this hair is great quality because it's still so bouncy even after doing the salt and pepper technique on the unit. Like, I'm very much in love with this unit. I like the fact that the ends don't get thinned out. You know, a lot of times you'll see the ends, once it gets to the end, the hair is a little bit thinner. This hair has created a full shaft throughout the entire unit, which is also very impressive. I love the fact that it curls super easy also. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my sideburn hairs and my flyaway wispy hairs along with that. I'm going to also be putting some of my foundation into the part so that way it is a lot more visible. Now I also will take a second brush which doesn't have any product and I will wipe away the excess and blend it in. Usually my sideburns are a little bit longer than this. I cut it a little bit shorter than normal. But either way, girl, this is the turnout look. Girl, this wig came out cute, baby. Do it like it's your big day. Now this, like I said, has a little bit of the salt and it's filled with pepper. Girl, when I tell you that this is a nice wig, now let's talk about this hair quality. The quality of this hair, girl, the quality of this hair is superb. It's so soft, it's so manageable, it's so bouncy, it's not stiff, it's not dried out. It's just bouncy and just there, like full and bouncy. Like I was not expecting this, but it came out so nice. Like y'all see, I put some layers in it. I came out really, really cute as layers. Plus the wispy bang. Okay, so truthfully, it was really supposed to be a curtain bang, okay? But I cut it a little bit too short. So we're gonna just go with the wispy thing. Yeah. That's what it was really supposed to be. But I thought that it looked really cute with the actual wispy. Okay, this came out really, really nice. Now, let me tell y'all about the hairline. The hairline is a little bit thicker than most, so it's not thinned out. So I really thought that this would be a great hairstyle for it, especially because it's not thinned out. But also, you know what? You gotta switch it up sometimes. If you want to be salt and peppered out, you gotta be cute in the process, okay? There is nothing wrong with a little wispiness, okay? I was very impressed at how nicely it curled, how bouncy it was. Like, this stuff is bouncy. Okay, girl, this is some bouncy hair. Very, very nice hair. No split ends, no nothing. They did their thing with this. So lady did their effing thing with this wig. I'm gonna just link everything down below. I was really not gonna say anything in this video. It was supposed to be a 100% total voiceover, but I was just so impressed with this hair. I had to come through to say something. Sexy grandma. I love y'all. Stay deep and delicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the videos up, and share it and all that cool stuff. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.